Slow down so the calves have time to move too. Like that one laying down. Okay. Go ahead. Move, Jojo. Okay, go ahead. Go. They'll move. Go ahead. You can do the gas a little bit because we're going to have to make it up the hill, but not a lot. That's good. No more. 304. Where are you?
That's my house.
Huh? That's your calf's mom? Bean time. Two, huh? Come this way, probably. Like me.